Inline 6-cylinder, 170 cubic inches underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Be a fun car to drive. Power top. And I'll show you how that functions here towards the end of the video. We'll show it going up, going down, check out the condition of it. Take a look at the chrome. Looks like a newer chrome bumper on it. It's in nice shape. Grille, headlight surrounds. There is a few spots in the paint where there's been some touch up, maybe a little bit of corrosion. This would be original medium turquoise car and a light turquoise vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see wire wheel covers, white wall radials. A few little touch-ups in the paint here. This is one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Couple little spots of bubbling lower doors. So is the paint perfect? No. Does it show well? Absolutely. There's that turquoise vinyl interior. Bucket seats. 4-speed on the floor. Padded dash. Seat belts intact. Does have a convertible top boot or cover here. Couple of the snaps aren't quite lined up, but it would still function. We snapped it on there so we could show you that. It's one of those cars, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Nice little economical, fun car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple little stains or miscolorations in that deck lid. That chrome bumper looks good. Stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I will start it up here too, and we'll take a peek underneath the hood. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Falcons, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that right off our showroom floor, of course, online. A couple little more bubbles, that lower area on that door. But as you can see, paint has a decent shine to it. Again, fun car for Sunday afternoon cruises. Just taken out for a drive, or like I said, those roll-ins. Door panels look good. Kind of a two-tone vinyl. I haven't really noticed any major rips, tears, or holes. Power top switch, of course, right up here above the key. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Pretty stock looking dash. That popped right off. I'll warm up here a little bit. Dash looks good. Looks like a fuel gauge came up here. That's working. That was a cold start. Wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. So odometer reads 41,057. I can't confirm or deny that being original miles, just due to the fact once the vehicle's so old, the miles are not recorded on the title anymore. It's marked exempt. Door closes nicely. I'll roll up the windows too so we can see how those fit in the convertible top. Let's listen. I don't know if you can hear that. Pretty quiet, actually. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped. Check out that engine bay. Like I said, I'll show you the power top going up, and I'll show it going back down. Stick around to the very end, and you can see this car and how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, pretty clean and tidy, and engine bay. 170 cubic inches right there, inline 6. Might not win a drag race, but hey, it's going to be fun to drive. Plenty of power for this guy. Looks good underneath there. Battery disconnect for when in between drives or maybe while it's in storage. Humming right along. All right, let me pause this one more time real quick here. And I'll go ahead and get that convertible boot or convertible top cover off. And let's see this top go up and down. Something else I wanted to mention real quick here before I put the top up. It just had the carb gone through, new carb kit. Also brakes are 90% or better all the way around. Front shoes are new, and it also has new front wheel cylinders. And there we go, top up and latched, nice tight fit above the windshield. So white vinyl, and you can see newer, practically new top, side glass rolled up also, so you can see how that fits. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes, really any wear on the thing at all. A rear window, nice and clear. No real discoloration or anything either. Good shape. And side glass on the passenger side. So you see how that fits. And back around above the windshield. 1963 Ford Falcon convertible. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. I'll show you the top going back down. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1963 Ford Falcon in a lovely teal blue. This is a 4-speed on the floor. And our turn signal indicator is working. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. Perfect little car to put the top down and bring your friends on a joyride. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this car. And we're in 4th gear, cruising gear. Our temperature gauge is right down towards the sea for cold. However, it hasn't been running long. Fuel gauge is showing half of a tank, and the speedometer appears to be working as it should. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you'd expect from a car in this era. Really don't notice it unless you're trying to look for it. Dash looks good, carpet looks good. Really a good condition interior. one crack in the steering wheel here. That's even in excellent shape. As far as cracking goes, we're gonna go down to third, possibly second here for the roundabout. Let's go to second. Brakes feel good. Corners nicely. Now it is a windy, cool day in Minnesota today, and I get a little bit of wind noise around that convertible top. I would call it typical, but it's not bad. Very smooth running car. We have center storage between the seats here. And the wipers do work as well. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.